Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum class. Let's start the first part of our lecture 15. In the previous lecture, we have studied Bayes theorem. Bayes theorem हमारे पास कब यूज होता है? When we have to find the conditional probability and the sample space is divided in mutually exclusive and exhaustive events. Okay. When sample space is divided in mutually exclusive and exhaustive event. Mutually exclusive events क्या होते हैं? ऐसे इवेंट्स जिनमें कुछ भी कॉमन नहीं होता, जो साइमल्टेनियसली अकर नहीं कर सकते. ओके. और एग्जॉस्टिव इवेंट्स क्या होते हैं? कि when we take union of all those events, it become sample space. So when sample space is divided in such a way and we have to find conditional probability of occurrence of AI when B has been occurred, in that case we use Bayes theorem. Topic of this lecture is reliability of the system. First, we will see what is the reliability. Reliability of a product is defined as the probability that the product will not fail throughout a prescribed operating period. Reliability किसी product की, किसी system की क्या है? Probability that a system or that product will not fail. That will work actually. The most products are made up of number of components. The reliability of each component and the configuration of the system consisting of these components determines the system reliability. That is, reliability of the product. The components may be in series or parallel or combination of series and parallel. In the last slide, we see some products are made up of number of components. हमारे पास जो सिस्टम है वो किसी एक कंपोनेंट पे डिपेंड नहीं कर रहे होते या एक ही कंपोनेंट पे नहीं डिवाइडेड होते हैं. हमारे पास डिफरेंट कंपोनेंट्स मिलके एक प्रोडक्ट या एक सिस्टम बनाते हैं. सो दीज कंपोनेंट्स मे बी connected in series or parallel or in combination of series and parallel connection. Series. System performs satisfactorily if all components are fully functional. For example, a switched ceiling light. What is parallel? System performs if any one component remains operational. For example, an aeroplane with 4 engines or a laptop with a power source and a battery. Example 1 हम देखेंगे. Find the reliability of the above system if the reliability of each component is 96% and components are working independently. Here class, first we will discuss what is working independently. Now, independence of components from each other and independence of system from some component is, these two things are totally different. When we say components are independent, what does it mean? Working of A does not depend on B or C. Similarly, working of component B does not depend on A or C. Yes, the working of whole system depends on all three. But working of this component does not depend on any other component. maybe we have some system in which A is working but B does not, and C is also working. Maybe A is not working but B and C are in working conditions. So working of components are independent. Now we can see here three components A, B and C are connected in series. These are connected in series. And we have to find the reliability of this system. And we know that what is reliability? Reliability is the probability that system does not fail, or we can say probability that system works. Okay. So if we use W to represent the working of the system, then probability that system work, probability of W is equal to probability of, these are in series. सीरीज में हमारे पास क्या होता है, इन तीनों का वर्किंग होना जरूरी है. So A works and B works and C works. When there is and, कौन सा लॉ हमारे पास लगता है? मल्टीप्लिकेशन लॉ. A intersection B intersection C. Now we have to apply multiplication law. Multiplication law apply करते हुए हम क्या देखते हैं? Whether the events are dependent or independent. Here it is very clearly defined that components are independent. Independent. So the multiplication law will be probability of A into probability of B into probability of C. Now we put the probability, that is 0.96 into 0.96 into 0.96. Now we will move to the next example. Again we have to find the reliability of the system for the given, and the components are working independently and their reliability is 96%. The difference is this, here we have components in parallel. हमारे पास parallel में connected है. Parallel में क्या होता है? Either A works or B works, whole system will be working. So when we have to find the probability that system will work, क्या चांसेस है हमारे पास? प्रोबेबिलिटी अगर हम इसको वर्ड्स में लिखें तो A और B और बोथ, यही हमारे पास स्टेटमेंट है वर्क की. हमारे पास अगर A और B में से कोई भी कंपोनेंट वर्क करता है तो सिस्टम विल बी वर्किंग, एंड इफ A एंड B बोथ आर वर्किंग, सिस्टम विल बी वर्किंग. सो ये किसकी स्टेटमेंट है हमारे पास? एडिशन लॉ की. प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ A यूनियन B. एडिशन लॉ यूज करते हुए, अप्लाई करते हुए हम क्या देखते हैं? आइदर द कंपोनेंट्स आर म्यूचुअली एक्सक्लूसिव और म्यूचुअली नॉन एक्सक्लूसिव. यहां पे हमारे पास जो कंपोनेंट्स हैं A एंड B, ये हमारे पास क्या है? म्यूचुअली एक्सक्लूसिव होंगे, नॉन एक्सक्लूसिव होंगे. कंपोनेंट्स आर म्यूचुअली नॉन एक्सक्लूसिव हियर. व्हेन वी से दे आर म्यूचुअली नॉन एक्सक्लूसिव, व्हाट डज इट मीन्स? It means A and B can both occur at the same time. और यहाँ पे occurrence क्या है? उनकी वर्किंग होना, दोनों की वर्किंग कंडीशन में होना. तो this is possible. So addition law will be probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A intersection B. Now, probability of A is 0.96. Also, the probability of working of component B is 0.96. How we will find probability of A intersection B? Intersection, it means multiplication law, and multiplication law A and B are working independently. तो ये हमारे पास क्या आ जाएगा? Probability of A into probability of B. दोनों की probabilities हमारे पास individually multiply होंगी तो intersection आ जाएगा. Values put कर देते हैं हम 0.96 plus 0.96 minus 0.96 into 0.96. क्लियर है? इसको हम मल्टीप्लाई प्लस माइनस करेंगे तो हमारे पास रिक्वायर्ड प्रोबेबिलिटी आ जाएगी. Okay, this is all for this part. Thank you.